and this is a high on demand skill. You don't want to sleep on it. So many business people will be traveling during this festive season. You definitely want to start taking advantage of this skill and start making that money. If your biggest goal for this year was to learn and start making money on the online space, then this video is for you. We literally are remaining with less than 100 days to the end of this year, and you had set a goal to learn a skill and start making money on the online space. How far have you gotten? Well, don't worry, I'm going to make work very easy for you. I'm going to give you 5 skills you can be able to learn in the next 30 days and kickstart your journey to making money on the online space. So the first skill is social media marketing. This is the highest in demand skill literally right now. There are so many business people out there who are literally taking their businesses on the online space. If there's any business person who is not on the online space, then they're not in planet Earth, because so many business people are on the online space and they literally need to push their content each and every time for them to reach their target audience. But not so many of them have the time, the energy, or even the skill sets on exactly how they can do this. And that is where you come in. When you take social media marketing courses and acquire these skills, then you can start your journey to becoming a social media manager. On average, a social media manager can actually be paid from around $10 to up to $50 an hour, and that is crazy, I know. Yeah, so this is a skill that you literally want to start learning now. And let me just break it down to you. When it comes to learning the skills, it is not that hard, it's not that complicated, because you literally know some of the things around social media. If you're a girly who just loves to be on social media every single time, posting and actually getting to know the trends, then this can actually be a good skill for you to get started with. The thing is, you go and acquire the skills with a certified platform that offers online courses. So a good example can be on ALISON. They offer online courses and they are literally offering for free. So you have no excuse to say that you do not have money. You will get these courses for free. The only thing you have to pay is for the certification. The second place is on HubSpot Academy. Let me tell you, this is the place where I learned a lot of my skills. From digital marketing, I was able to acquire most of my skills there. Their courses are literally things that a 6-year-old can understand, because they're not that hard, they're not complicated, and you can be able to learn these things in the next 30 days. The second step I want you to take is I want you to start documenting. Start documenting everything you're doing. Don't wait till you are done with the course for you to start showing people. I want you to tell people immediately the day you start doing this. So you can either be like a series, create a series on TikTok, on Instagram, or on any platform that you're comfortable with. Tell people about what you do, a day in the life, or update people on exactly how the process is going when you're learning this skill. This way you are actually giving people a reason to associate you with a social media manager. So by the time you're done learning this course, you literally have built a brand for yourself and people will recognize you as a social media manager. So you need to start from day one. Don't wait. I want you to take whatever you have learned, the skills that you have learned, and package them as a service so that you can start reaching out to your clients. And one thing you should note, that in all this, you need to actually have a portfolio for you to be able to start reaching out to your clients. No way you're going to showcase the work that you have done during this time if you do not have a portfolio, and that's why I have made work easier for you. I'll leave a link to a portfolio template and it will literally take you 10 minutes if you have all the work that you have done to just copy and paste it. The second skill that you have to learn literally in 30 days is virtual assistant. People do not have all the time in the world. They need things to be done for them. They need people to schedule their meetings. They need people to write their minutes. They need people to be able to book their travels, because we are headed to the travel season, and this is a high on demand skill. You don't want to sleep on it. So many business people will be traveling during this festive season. You definitely want to start taking advantage of this skill and start making that money. So when it comes to being a virtual assistant, the first thing is you need to acquire the skills. There are so many places, but I'm going to just mention the few. The first one is ALISON. Like I always say, that is the place to go if you want to get free online courses. I'll leave a link down here to go and start your journey to ALISON. The second one is on ALX. Now for ALX, it's not like ALISON, because there it's a program. It will take you a longer time, and that's why I'll not recommend you to go there if you want to start this business in 30 days. If you want to kickstart your journey to virtual assistant in 30 days, then the best place you can go, it's on ALISON. You'll be able to learn. But if you get this video and you just want to learn a virtual assistant, then you can go start your journey to ALX. It's also free at a particular period of time. You need to start documenting your journey. Start telling people what you do. Start telling people the process. Start telling people the tools you have learned. Like Asana, it helps people in this. Like how to use Notion. Like how to use Google Workspace and all this. Start sharing it on your social media platform so that you build your brand on the online space while learning the course. I want you to take your administrative skills and package them as a service. Go to Canva, create a package service, then create a portfolio. Again, you cannot reach out to clients if you do not have a portfolio, because the thing they will ask you is, where is the work that you have done? And this is where you don't want to start telling them that I'm a newbie. No, we are not doing that. You are literally going to take the work that you have been practicing during this time and place them in your portfolio. Create some good work that you can place in your portfolio and start reaching out to clients with that work. Skill is graphic design. Again, we are headed in the festive season, guys. Business people will actually need good graphic designs for their posts, for their emails, for their email designs, for their online shops, and you need to actually offer the skills to them. Graphic design, it's not that complicated if you decide to learn the basic graphic designs. So these are things like creating thumbnails, creating flyers, creating logos, or designing a good email design. These are things you can learn. YouTube is your friend. Take online YouTube seriously. Go and research on graphic designs, on flyers, on how to create logos, and go and start practicing whatever you learn in Canva. Canva is a free app. You can be able to start for free. You don't need to have the pro version. You can literally start with a free version. Let me just show you a good example of a flyer I created on my own using Canva. When I say I do not have any graphic designs I learned on my own, I'm not kidding. So when I say it's something you can be able to learn, you can be able to learn. Go and start creating good flyers, good email designs, good thumbnails, and place them in your portfolio. Again, you can get a template down here below that will literally take you 10 minutes to put your work there and start reaching out and pitching out to clients. Because you are not going to get clients just by posting alone. At times it will come, but at times it will not come. So you need to go out and pitch to them. The fourth one is video editing. Let me tell you, this is one thing that so many people struggle with, especially here on YouTube. The amount of time editing a video takes you, you literally cry on that video. The first few days when I started editing my videos, it was hectic. But you can make work easier for these people. So learn the video editing skills, the basic video editing skills. There are so many apps that you can learn to do video editing, but if you are on a budget, then CapCut is the place to go. And the good thing about CapCut is you can be able to start with your mobile phone, so you don't need to have a laptop for you just to learn these skills. Learn how to edit short videos. Learn how to edit long videos to create a video that will actually attract attention and bring people to engage with that video, because so many business people don't know how to attract and bring attention to their videos because they are not good in video editing. And if you can show a person that this is what I can do for you, then this person is guaranteed to actually hire you. So you can go and approach people like podcasters, YouTubers. Go and take a link to their video, go and repackage it and edit it in the right way, and reach out to them on their emails or on their socials and tell them, this is a video that you created and I did this. Let me tell you, 95% of these people will respond to you because you have showed them the work you can do. So don't approach them with just telling them, I'm a video editor, I do this. No, take the link, do the work, give them the work. Let them see to believe, because they will literally give you their money when they see that your work is good. Skill is content creation that is making people a lot of money. You don't want to sleep on this. Content creation is a skill that will perfect itself with time. You don't need to pressure yourself or feel like you are not good in the first days. It is always okay, because when you're starting, you'll be afraid to show yourself in the camera. You'll be afraid to even speak. You'll feel awkward. But with time, it will be a normal thing. And you can also make money with content creation by helping other business people, because you see, not so many business people know how to create good content that will push their videos, that will push their business and make sales for them. And that is where you come in. You can be able to get yourself out there and start reaching out to those business people and teaching them and helping them to create content for their business. So you can create a package where if you can create short videos for them for 1 month and then they pay you this certain amount, or you can decide to be a UGC content creator. So this is where they give you a package, you create content for them, and in return they pay you the money. So you see, this content creation is a very wide range of things. Or you can decide to create content on YouTube channel and start earning through your YouTube channel. So content creation, it has a lot of variety of ways in which you can make money with this skill. So don't let this year come to an end. We literally have 100 days to the end of this year, and you literally can make something great come out of it. If your mission was to make money on the online, then you need to take advantage and take a skill that you can be able to learn from this video. And if you just want to be able to make your work easier and get started in learning these skills as fast as possible, and even just understand everything and even more from what I've talked in this video, you can grab my ebook Learn to Earn and Monetize in my descriptions down here below and get started with making money on the online space, because this is the year that we are actually going to make money on the online space. You don't want to be left out. I don't want to be left out, and that is why you need to do everything ASAP. I really appreciate you for watching till the end and listening to me till the end, and I hope that you have found a skill you can be able to kickstart and get started with. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to this YouTube channel, and hit that notification bell. From me to it, bye bye, see you in my next video.